children, good morning to all of you. We have practiced to write the letters up to O, and today we are going to practice how to write in a four-line book. While writing in four-line book, how to write mama letters and baby letters. Look, there are 4 lines. So how to write mama A? Look, from this third line is landing line from here to here. Then here also line. Don't touch the fourth line. Only these 3 lines. And this is mama A. And B, while writing B, only touch these 3 lines. Don't touch the fourth line. And the circles must be like these. B. Do you understand how to write? Now, C also, don't touch the fourth line, only look, like this. C. And D, draw a line from here to here and put a curve like this. This is D. A, B, C, D. After which letter comes? E. And don't touch the fourth line. Look, like this. E. F also like this. Touch only these 3 lines. And touch only the 3 lines and write G also. Put a curve big and like this. G. H also only touch these 3 lines. Don't touch the fourth line. I also like this. I. And how to write J? J. K also. K. L. In M. M. N. O. Look how we are writing in 4-line book. Like this, you have to practice to write in your 4-line book. Don't touch the fourth line. While writing in 4-line book, don't touch the fourth line. And how to write the baby letters? Look, don't touch the up and down lines. To writing baby A, only write in the middle line. And for writing B, draw the line from this to this. And don't touch the down line and put a curve here. B. And how to write C? Only in the middle line. C. And for D, first put a curve like this. Go up, come down. Don't touch the 4 line. For E, a small like this. Inside the third line. Only A, C, E only write inside the second line. First line and second line, leave it. Here look, only in the middle line you can't write. E. A, B, C, D, E. After F, from here to here. F. For G, look, don't go up. First write in the middle line like this. For writing G. Then come down and turn. G. And for H, draw a line from up to down. H. For I, put a draw line here and a dot. I. And for J, how? From here to here and put a dot here. J. For K, go up and like this. K. And this thing only in the middle line. Don't go up. In capital letter K, look, you can touch the first line. But in small letter, you have to write only in the middle this one. K. And for L, like this. For M, how to write? In the middle line, only write in the middle line like this. M. And N also in the middle line. N. And O also in the middle line. And today we are going to practice P. Mama P and baby P. For writing Mama P, we use the first 3 lines and put here. Then for baby P, write here to here and write here. Do you understand right now? all of you practice to write like this and try today write one page full P in your star notebook and try to write, practice to write in 4-line book how. This way you have to practice to write. Thank you children.